Hello everyone, my name is Carson Oldani, and this is my capstone presentation on Napoleon Bonaparte and how he restored France to power. Introduction of how France's power was restored. Napoleon helped restore that by dominating that war for almost 2 decades. Napoleon also made a lot of changes to the government that were very needed, and it really helped France's power get restored. Napoleon also made a lot of changes to France that caused global changes. The big idea that I'm relating this to is government. I'm relating my topic to the big idea of government because I believe that everything that Napoleon Bonaparte did was related to France's government. It all came back to the government and how it affected it or how he affected it. My sources that I used a lot of academic articles. These were tough to find. That took a lot of time and research and the proper research to find these articles. But once that I did find these academic articles, I made the presentation, the project, the paper, all a lot easier. Domination of war. Napoleon dominated at war for almost 2 decades. He dominated so much that he had a war strategy named after him, and then he fought from around 1785, actually, was when he joined the military. His first victory wasn't until the middle of the French Revolution in 1795. He fought in around 60 battles throughout those 3 decades he was in the military, and he only lost 8 of them. His strategy was essentially just to be on the offensive side of the attack the whole time and to rapidly destroy the enemy. Changes to the government. During the French Revolution, that ended Catholicism as the state religion, but Napoleon agreed to the Concordat of 1801, and that made Catholicism as the primary French religion again. Napoleon also created the Napoleonic Code, which had many laws that were created for citizenship, family, and property. The Napoleonic Code also created lycées, which were high schools, and this was a big step towards modernization because the high schools were also created around the world by many other countries after Napoleon did it with the Napoleonic Code. Why so important? France was in a very odd place during the French Revolution. Napoleon changed that whenever he took over. He became the emperor in around 1804, but was a big part of the government around 1801. He was the very first emperor of France when that happened in 1804, and he made major changes to the government when that happened that helped modernization. Other countries around the world followed in France's footsteps with legal and educational systems, which was a huge step towards modernization. My personal takeaways. Throughout this project, it was very interesting learning about Napoleon's surprising route to success. He started out as a boy from Corsica, which was a French-owned country. He didn't even learn French until he was around 10. I was also surprised that Napoleon fought 60 battles, and it was very, very surprising whenever I found out that he only lost 8 of them. His final battle was in 1815, which was the Battle of Waterloo, and unfortunately he was held captive there for around 6 years when he then passed away, which is very interesting. I really enjoyed learning about the dominance. I find war very interesting, and it was pretty interesting learning about the dominant stretch that Napoleon Bonaparte had. One thing that I really didn't like was the amount of research that I needed for this project, but obviously I think it makes sense. It's a big project that requires a lot of research, so didn't have a problem with it, just was very difficult finding, like 7 academic articles for the project. Overall, though, that is my presentation on Napoleon Bonaparte and how he restored France to power. Thank you.